5 seconds to go. Start. I am grateful to you for inviting me here today, though I rather doubt if I can help you very much in your deliberations. Stop. All I can do is to encourage you and to express the goodwill and the earnest desire of the government to see that science flourishes in India, and scientists have every opportunity to do good work. Stop. My friend has surveyed the field of our work here fairly comprehensively, what has been done, what is being done, and, to some extent, what he hopes will be done. Stop. Largely, I agree with what he had said. Stop. Para. A little more than 5 years ago, we passed the scientific policy resolution. Stop. I was reading it today and I felt that it was a good resolution. Stop. If we had to sit down to draft it today, probably it would not be very difficult from what we did then. Stop. The question that arises now is how far have we lived up to it? Stop. We have perhaps not implemented it as fully as many of us had hoped. Stop. Para. I think there is a general appreciation in India of the importance of science and technology. Stop. Its importance is, no doubt, growing in our universities and special institutes. Stop. More and more students are taking to the study of technical and scientific subjects. Stop. Yet, I do not suppose it will be true to say that the background of general thinking in India is governed the educational process, and the industrial and technological changes that are coming about in the country. Stop. As a matter of fact, the two are closely allied. Stop. Para. There is one criticism that is often made about the financial resources that we made available for scientific work. Stop. Although we are now spending more on scientific work than previously, it is, I suppose, true to say that we are rather slow moving in that direction and some of our scientific work has suffered because of lack of money. Stop. Some months back, a committee was appointed, I think, with Dr. Bhabha as chairman, to look into this matter and to recommend what more could be done to help scientific research, and also where it is possible to economize. Stop. The object of that committee was really to encourage useful and profitable expenditure for scientific research. Stop. Para. We did not want merely to say that so many crores of rupees would go into scientific research, but rather to have it examined how it should be done. Stop. That committee, so far as I know, has not yet produced any report or recommendations. Stop. Para. Shivpal Singh ji, who participates in javelin throw, hails from Banaras. Stop. Shivpal ji's entire family is associated with this sport. Stop. His father, uncle and brother are all experts at javelin throw. Stop. This family tradition is going to be useful for him in the Tokyo Olympics. Stop. The example of Chirag Shetty and his partner Satvik Sairaj going for the Tokyo Olympics is also inspiring. Stop. Recently, Chirag's material grandfather died of corona. Stop. Satvik himself also became corona positive last year. Stop. But, despite these hurdles, Both of them are preparing to give their best in the men's double shuttle competition. Stop. Para. I would like to introduce you to another player, Manish Kaushik ji of Bihani, Haryana. Stop. Manish ji comes from an agricultural family. Stop. While working in the fields in his childhood, Manish became fond of boxing. Stop. Today, this hobby of his is taking him to Tokyo. Stop. There is another player, C.A. Bhavani Devi. Stop. Her name is Bhavani and she is adroit at fencing. Stop. Bhavani, who hails from Chennai, is the first Indian fencer to qualify in the Olympics. Stop. I was reading somewhere that in order for Bhavani ji's training to continue, her mother had even mortgaged her jewelry. Stop. Para. Friends, there are numerous such names, but in Man Ki Baat, today I have been able to mention only a few. Stop. Every player going to Tokyo has had one's own share of struggle, and years of toil. Stop. They are going not only for themselves but for the country. Stop. These players also have to enhance the glory of India and win the hearts of the people. And that is why, my countrymen, I want to advise you too that we should not pressurize these players knowingly or unknowingly, but support them with an open mind and bolster the enthusiasm of every player. Stop. Para. You can send your wishes to these players with hashtag cheer for India on social media. Stop. If you want to do something more innovative, then definitely do that too. Stop. If you come across any idea what the country should do collectively for our players, then you must send it to me. Stop. Together we will support our players going to Tokyo. Cheer for India. Stop. Para. My dear countrymen, the battle we the countrymen are fighting against corona is continuing, but in this fight, together, we have achieved many an extraordinary milestone. Stop. Just a few days ago, our country accomplished an unprecedented feat. Stop. On the 21st of June, the next phase of the vaccination campaign commenced, and that very day, the country registered a record of administering vaccines to over 86 lakh people, free of cost, that too on a single day. Stop. Such a huge number of free vaccinations by the government of India, that too in a day. Stop. It is but natural that it was widely discussed. Stop. Para. Friends, a year ago, the question that was confronting all was, when will the vaccine come? Stop. Today, in a day, we are administering the Made in India vaccine to lakhs of people, free of cost, and this indeed is the strength of New India. Stop. Para. Friends, we have to keep making efforts to ensure that every citizen is able to avail of safety through the vaccine. Stop. At many places, in order to end vaccine hesitancy, myriad organizations and members of civil society have come forward, and together, they are doing a wonderful job. Come, let us to visit a village and speak to people about the vaccine. Let's go to village Dularia, district Batul, Madhya Pradesh. Stop. Para. They were presented with. Stop. It was this fascination that made her participate in the race walking competition for the first time. Stop. Now, comma, she is a big champion of that. Stop.